Sergeant. This homeless guy right here got pulled over. Just wanted to see if everything is going to be alright with the guy. Make sure that he's not getting violated. Here comes his partner. Back up. You doing, buddy? Searching him. There you go. Hey, buddy. You all right?
Yeah, man.
Why'd they stop you? Why'd they stop you?
I just started to say I was talking to myself and I was trying to,
They searched you and because you were talking to yourself?
yeah, but they left all my stuff, all my pipes and all this stuff.
Man, that's fucked up. How's that legal?
I don't know.
Number two, how's that legal?
I don't know, they got all my pipes before,
What'd they take?
Nothing. I got to keep all my pipes and all that stuff.
Yeah, but he just stopped you because you're telling me because
He said I was walking
he
down
says
the
you're
town.
talking to yourself.
Yeah, he seemed like
And he searched you. You know they can't do that, right? They're not supposed to search you, bro.
And all that stuff, but it's all right. They didn't take my pipes or nothing. I didn't get no.
You know what, bro? Never give them permission, bro. You know what I'm saying? Never give them permission. They don't have a right to stop anybody, man. Just like that. And if you let them, they're gonna do it to the next guy. You know what I'm saying? Don't let them do that again, bro. I have your back right here. You know, I don't like when they mess with homeless people. That's bullshit. Just pull you over because they want to. That's not right, bro. I'm gonna make a complaint for you. You mind? You mind if I make a complaint? Because I don't want them to keep doing that to the citizens like that. It's not right. They're gonna do that to you. They're gonna do it to the next guy just because what? They feel like pulling you over. You know what they do? You know what? Let me tell you what they do, okay? They're gonna get you on a warrant one day, a ticket, just a regular simple ticket. And you know what they're gonna do with that ticket? It's gonna turn into a warrant. And they're gonna pull you over, search you, and get your ID. And guess what? You're gonna go to jail. And that's not right for them to do. That's bullshit, bro.
Right.
I'm gonna make a complaint for you, man. All right? Don't worry about it. I'll make a complaint, bro. They're not gonna do this to you no more, brother.
Thank you.
Have a good day, man. It's fucking bullshit, man. It's the kind of fucking shit I don't like. Motherfuckers abuse their fucking authority and shit. Fucking assholes. For what? You know? For fucking take advantage of homeless people and shit. That's the fucking kind of shit I don't fucking like, man. Get them on a simple ticket, fucking jaywalking, or not no more, but a simple fucking ticket. Excuse my language, but man, it gets me so angry. Get them on a simple ticket. It turns into a warrant. Now these guys have nothing better to do but to go fishing. Go fishing on poor homeless people that have bad freaking hard times, man. Man, it's just, ugh. Well, see you guys on the next one. Thanks.